and she is a vegan
I am
baker.
because of her.
Oh, you're a vegan girl, yes. So today we're gonna be making some spring rolls. Last time Ayanna watched me make them, but this time she's gonna make them herself. She's gonna make them herself this time. So let's go around this way, and we'll help the people know. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our water nice and warm. So to make spring rolls, girl, you're gonna need your spring roll paper. You're gonna need all your delicious things that go inside of it, and then you're gonna need hot water, and then we're gonna make a sauce too. It's a peanut sauce. It's gonna be really good. So this water is nice and warm, so we're ready to go.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is just pour this in here. Pour it in a nice wide rimmed bowl.
Oh, I love that bowl.
I know, me too.
Where did you get it? I need one.
Yes. All right. Now I'm gonna grab one of these. I'm gonna show you how to do it first.
If it breaks, you can still use it.
Yeah, if it breaks, you can still use it because we're gonna use 2 per roll. So I'm gonna dip it into the water. It's nice and warm. And then we're gonna take it out and lay it down, just like that. Lay it down, girl. Lay it down. So next, I know, it's kind of interesting how it kind of flops apart.
Right, when you put it in water?
Yes, next we're gonna fill it up with delicious things. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna grab a nice handful of this. These are my rice noodles, like skinny rice noodles that I just put in some coconut aminos and I let them marinate for a few minutes.
Are these like real different from like soba noodles or something?
No, I mean, these are just basically a rice noodle that's super thin, and I like them because it just doesn't make it too thick or clunky. And so then I'm gonna add in all my fresh vegetables, and what I got is cucumber, mango. Why don't you grab me some of those too? I'm gonna put some carrots in here. And what's fun about making spring rolls is you can put whatever you want into it. Yes.
What makes it a spring roll?
Girl, because it's springy and light. No. Honestly, I think it's because it's something that is lighter, you know, and that has fresh elements. I'm gonna add in some cabbage.
And everything is fresh, right?
Yes, everything is nice and fresh.
Do you cook these or do they just come?
Yeah, so what I do with the noodles is I got a pot of water boiling, and then you just put these in the water for about, 30 seconds, honestly. And then they come out like this, and you season them however you want to. You can put, you can do whatever kind of seasoning you want. I like to do anything that's soy-free, just because to keep it simple. All right, and the next thing we're gonna do is, this is the fun part, is we're gonna roll this up. So I like to take from the top and then go from the bottom. Now this one has a rip in it, so this is gonna just be our first little layer.
But you're gonna cover it.
Yeah, I'm gonna cover it, girl. Look at that. And you just bundle it up in a little bundle. So cute.
It is cute.
And then I'm gonna get another one.
So you double layer all of them.
I like to double layer mine because I know a lot of the time I'll stuff them pretty heavily, and I just don't want anything falling out. And I know that anytime I make them for other people, they really like them. They won't like them compact. So what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna do the second pass of folding, girl. You go on, girl. So I'm gonna put it in the middle. Okay. I'm gonna let you do it.
So top and bottom.
Yes, top. And you can just lay it down just like that, and it should stick down, just like that. One side, there you go, and nice and tight, like a little burrito. Oh, it's so cute, little burrito. Yes. All right, and then we're gonna put it on our plate. Boom, there we go. Now we're gonna make some more, and you can put whatever you want in it, girl. I'm gonna let you go to town.
Oh, excuse me.
You good, girl. You good. Ayanna's also a singer, y'all. We may have to have her do a little. There you go.
My voice is not like all the way there right now.
My voice has been funky too, but I want to sing more.
Your voice is never funky. I don't know how she does it, but this girl can sing anything at any time of the day or night.
I don't know if they know
what she's been doing that day. Now they know.
Do they know?
They know now.
Do they know, girl? All right, so what do you want to put in this?
Ooh, am I eating this one?
Yes, girl. We're eating all of them.
Okay, we're putting some noodles.
Noodles, okay.
Toss some noodles in there.
A nice handful of noodles. I like the mango in it because that gives it a nice sweetness to it.
Okay. Well, let's put some mango in there then.
How much mango?
Let's do one.
Okay, one mango.
Okay.
And I like the mango. Some people think it's a little you know, different to put mango in your spring roll?
I can do like a little bit of sweetness.
Yeah.
I'm not like one of those mango salsa type of people.
Me too.
You know what I mean? I can do a little bit. Let's do
Okay,
some
some peppers.
Ooh, and cabbage.
I like the cabbage. I use this in one of my other recipes. I like the cabbage because it just gives good color.
It is.
It's
so
a nice
pretty
color.
and fresh.
And that's the whole thing.
It's like
with
your
this dish.
color. Like your one green.
Oh, it is.
color.
Oh, so
You gotta put it in every dish.
I do, girl. I do. That and purple potatoes.
Oh, girl. Purple. Have you made them something with purple potatoes yet?
No, but I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to make my purple stew on here for sure.
Or anything with purple potatoes.
Ooh, yes. What kind of? So what I have here is I like to either put some green onion in my spring roll or some cilantro, and it's whatever you want. I just like the fresh spice of it.
Put a little green onion
A little.
and a little cilantro.
Just get crazy with it, girl. Get crazy. You wild. You wild.
So we haven't put.
Those are gonna go on, girl. Those are gonna go on.
Okay, well let's put them in this one.
Oh, you want to put them in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Usually I put the sesame seeds on top, but let's put them in there.
Okay.
Let's do it.
How do they stick when you put them on top?
Yeah, they do. It's kind of like a nice little garnish.
Sticky.
Exactly. Exactly.
And so when you put it in the water, how long do you have before it doesn't really stretch anymore? Or does it doesn't matter, it'll stretch from here on out?
So what I like to do when I'm doing the water is I like to dip it in there and go in a circular motion. I'll show you guys on the next one that I do, a more detailed version. So I'm gonna roll this up. Ooh, this is gonna be good, girl.
That
With
one's
the
mine.
oh, I know, I see. All right, I'm gonna show you guys exactly. You don't think so? I like to double wrap all of them.
I know, but I want
You
you
don't
to
want
save your.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat this. So you know.
Thanks, girl. She helping me out. She always looking out for me. All right, so I'm gonna just put one side in and then just go in a circular motion, just like that. And what it does, it just gets it all nice and wet. I know, right? Nice and wet.
Because I'm a child.
We're 12-year-olds, it's fine. Especially when we're together, it's like, what? All right, you see how I just went around the circle? And it's nice and loose. All right, so now I'm gonna pick what I'm gonna put in here.
Okay,
You're gonna make it. All right,
okay.
so switch.
Wait, so when are we using the sauce?
Oh, we'll make the sauce. We're gonna make one more, and then we'll make the sauce. Okay. All right, so I want noodles in mine.
Okay, well let's get you some noodles.
Yeah, some
you like a lot of noodles?
No, not really. I like that amount. I know, right?
They feel really cool, actually. Kind of like this paper.
Look at that.
All right.
I like these because they're not too thick too. That's what I like about them.
I'm gonna make it pretty.
All right, I want 2 pieces of mango. I know.
Get you 2 pieces.
I like the mango.
Because you like the sweetness.
I do. I used to not like
it.
it.
I'm gonna get you this piece.
Give it a girl. All right, I want some cucumber.
Okay. Also, look how cute this mug is. It's precious. I love it. I just need to burn all of your dishes.
Well, I just like color. You know, I like wearing color.
I know. And I'm in all black.
Yeah, but she looks sexy. You look sexy in all black. Sometimes I'm like, girl. For me, it's like, girl, come on, you can do that.
What are you talking about?
I don't know.
Girl, you look amazing in anything.
Okay, cabbage.
You want 1 cucumber, that's good?
Yeah, 1 cucumber is good to go.
Cabbage.
Yes. And what I do, I cut up all of my pieces nice and long so that it fits inside of the spring roll so that you get a nice
and do you cut them any special type of way so
no.
people know?
No, not really. I mean, I just, however way you choose to cut them so that you can have nice long strips, that's the best way, I think.
That's pretty.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. All right, I want some red pepper in it.
Oh, so we getting crazy.
We getting crazy. Crazy spring rolls. I know.
The spring roll dance.
I know the spring roll dance, girl. And then let's put just cilantro. Just the cilantro. Okay. I know. I'm trying to switch it up. You know, make it.
Switch it up then, girl. Okay.
That's perfect. And you're gonna roll it too.
Okay.
Now you're gonna be able to make this now.
So I know. Oh shit, it's falling apart.
It's all good. There we go.
It feels like something you want to play with. Honestly.
It does. It kind of feels like a little stress reliever game.
Almost. It's like.
We're gonna double wrap this.
Okay. Yeah. It's real fun to make. Oh, okay.
It's almost like making a little rice burrito. And sometimes also I'll either put some jackfruit. Actually, I'll season some jackfruit with some seaweed in it, and that's really good too. Yeah, let's do another wrap on that one too.
Do I get to dip this one?
You do. The circle dip.
Oh, the way it feels beforehand, it's almost like you don't even think it's gonna turn into
Exactly.
what it is.
Isn't that crazy?
It's crazy. Who invented this thing?
Somebody. Somebody smart. I believe this has been around for quite some time. And you want to make sure to get the edges too. So it looked like some of the, yeah, no, it's all good. Just do the, you good, girl.
For the second round.
Second round. Yeah, and you want to make sure your water stays warm. And that's why I like to use the heating kettle, because typically it keeps the water nice and warm.
I can tell that when it's not that warm, then it's not really gonna get it good.
I think that's a good rule. Top, bottom, burrito fold. Top, bottom, burrito fold. Hey, top, bottom, burrito fold. Hey, top, bottom, burrito fold. Burrito. Yes, yes,
I
yes.
didn't fuss it up. It was the dance.
No, you didn't. That's beautiful. Look, stretch it. We don't gotta stretch it that much, dang.
Look, I'm getting. Oh, damn! See, I was talking shit.
It's all good, girl.
Like
look at this. Boom, just like that.
Okay.
So the next thing we're gonna move on to is the sauce, the mighty sauce, and I'm making a peanut sauce today. So what I got is I got some peanut butter, some crunchy peanut butter, no sugar added, some sriracha, no sugar added. These are things that you can get at Whole Foods or Sprouts or even Trader Joe's too. And then, yeah, I love some sriracha, y'all. And then I have some minced garlic in there too, so I'm gonna plop that in there. I know.
That was the most unattractive word to use.
Plop it in there.
I'm just gonna plop it in.
Just put a little ploppity doppity in there.
And then you put this inside.
Oh no, it's gonna be a dipping sauce. So I'm gonna use my rice vinegar. You could use apple cider vinegar too if you want to, but for this dish I'm gonna use the rice vinegar.
Does rice vinegar have good properties like apple cider vinegar?
Not as many, but it definitely gives you more of the flavor that you're looking for if you're making an Asian inspired dish. But coconut aminos are bomb because it's like soy sauce without the soy and without the wheat. So you should look into this. I don't know if you use
I
it.
heard you talk about it in your last video.
Yeah.
But I have not seen it anywhere.
Really? You can get it at Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's, Sprouts. You can even get it at Kroger or whatever, you know, Vons, Save-On, whatever y'all are shopping at. So then, just gonna close it up. I mixed all my things in there, and I'm gonna blend it. Okay, I'm gonna blend it a little bit more because I don't like all the crunchy pieces of peanut in there.
Why do you use creamy peanut butter?
Because, to be honest, I like little bits of crunchiness in it. It's really weird. I like the little bits of crunchiness.
Tiny little bits, but not like
chunks. What did you say?
I was about to say I got a lot of fun today, but that was unattractive.
Girl, it's all good. Be yourself. Do you. Just do you.
I'm trying to get my little voice back for our...
Oh yeah, Ayanna's got a big important audition coming up, so y'all don't wish her luck, but tell her to break a leg. There we have our sauce. There we go. And you know what I'm gonna do? Isn't that cute? And then this is what I do.
The plate.
Doesn't it though? I'm gonna just sprinkle this sauce.
Oh, and then it sticks on real cute.
Yes, isn't that cute?
I love it. Oh, there we go.
All right, let's go show the people what we got, girl.
Okay.
Let's go show the people. I'll hold on to the sauce. I'll hold the sauce. You come on up here. Look at you modeling these spring rolls. Here we go. There we go. Here, why don't you hold it? There you go, girl.
Yes.
Look what we made, y'all. Fresh spring rolls. Are you ready to dive in? You ready?
They smell good.
I'm ready.
Okay. Wait, that one's mine.
This one?
I do remember because you know we didn't double wrap that one.
You're right. Which one was mine? Do you remember?
That one.
Okay. Dunk.
I'm ready. go in. Oh, yes. I got a good dip too. I'm a dipper.
Me too, girl. I love a sauce.
That is so good. We didn't even like add any extra seasoning or nothing.
No.
And then that sriracha is like a kick on the back end.
It's good. Vegan, eating vegan, super simple. Make something that's delicious and fresh. It's good.
It's delicious.
It's
yes.
good.
Yes.
It's good.
Y'all gotta get in on some of this.
And y'all already got these ingredients. Y'all know it. Just go, stop by your store, pick up some rice paper, and y'all.
It's not even that many ingredients.
No.
Honestly.
It's
not
all
at
fresh
all.
vegetables. Yeah.
That's amazing, man. I gotta make some of these when I get back to New York.
Yes, girl. Well, now you know. Thanks
Yes.
for joining me, girl. I love you. Thanks for joining us, you guys. We're signing off, and we'll see you again next time.
Yes.
Bye. Bye. Goodbye. Oh, what's that song from the So Long Farewell to You, my friend. So long for now. Until we meet again. I said so long. Farewell to you, my friend. So long for now. Until we meet